I made this refreshing orange juice from the leftover orange after using their zest to make orange oil. If you have not watched that video, please check the video card above to get access to it. I will as well provide the link to the video in the description of this video. You can as well watch till the end to get access to the video at the end screen. I start by cutting the oranges into 2 equal parts. Next, I'll be pressing out the juice from the orange with this my manual juicer. Place the cut orange in the manual juicer like this and squeeze out the juice from the orange. After squeezing out the juice from the cut orange, remove the squeezed orange and repeat the same process with the remaining ones. Do this until the juice gets to the perforated area of the manual juicer. As you can see, that this process of extracting juice from the orange is so simple and easy. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop new videos. And to all my amiable returning viewers, I want to say thank you so much. God bless you. After squeezing out the juice from the orange and the juice has gotten to the perforated area, I'll be transferring it into a collecting container. Repeat the same process with the remaining oranges until I'm done collecting all the juice from the orange. After collecting all the juice, I will add to it 1 tablespoon of lemon juice stirred together. Then we have a refreshing orange juice. Kindly like and share. Thanks for watching.